850 divided by 5. Here 5 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 5. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. To find out the multiplication table of 5, just add 5 with the previous step. 0 plus 5, 5, plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, plus 5, 20, plus 5, 25, like this. 5 goes into 8 how many times? 2 times 10, which is getter, so 1 time. 1 time 5, 5. Subtract, you are getting 3. Bring down this 5. 5 goes into 35 how many times? 5 goes into 35 7 times. So write 7. 7 times 5, 35. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. Now 0 0 means 0. 5 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. 0 times 5, 0. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, so we are done. So 170 is our answer.